Today, we're visiting Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial in Washington, D.C. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. Don't even have a tiny bit. Don't even think of doing it, because we are at Washington, D.C. And this is where we are. We are at Martin Luther King Jr. And I'll read you. That's the entrance, and I'll show you, and I'll tell you what this says. This was clouded. Out of the mountain of this far, this was a stone of hope. Out of a mountain of despair, a stone of hope. Now you're gonna be so surprised. I have to get over here, get over here to look at this. Ta-da! Now that's a really cool thing. I'll show you some cherry blossoms over here. And I'll show you the Thomas Jefferson Monument over here. That white place over there, that's the Thomas Jefferson Monument.
Yep, it is.
And we're going there.
Eventually, I don't know if we're going to do it right now. Might have to go there later tonight. What? We're going to have to go to the...
So it's Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. There's some cars their name is here. But this isn't carved by someone. This is actually carved by them. 2040 to 2010. So we're heading over to here. Can you read that one? All of
Justice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. We are caught in an inescapable network of mutuality, tied in a single garment of destiny. Whatever affects one directly affects all, indirectly.
And that speech was in Alabama, 1963. Next one.
I have the audacity to believe that peoples everywhere can have 3 meals a day for their bodies, education and culture for their minds, and dignity, equality, and freedom for their spirits.
And that was in Norway, 1964.
It is not enough to say we must not wage war. It is necessary to love peace and sacrifice for it. We must concentrate not merely on the negative expulsion of war, but on the positive affirmation of peace.
And that's in California, 1967.
The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy.
And that doesn't have a place where it was, it just has that number, 1963.
Every nation must now develop an overriding loyalty to mankind as a whole in order to preserve the best in their individual societies.
Okay, New York. That's where we live, 1967.
We are determined here in Montgomery to worry and fight until justice runs down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream.
Okay, Alabama, 1955.
We must come to see the end we seek is a society at peace with itself, a society that can live with its conscience.
Okay, that's another one. That's Alabama, 1965. So, what are Alabamas?
True peace is not merely the absence of tension, it is the presence of justice.
And that's in, it doesn't have a place, it just has 1958. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial.
Get that up a little more.
Okay.
If we are to have peace on earth, our loyalties must become ecumenical rather than sectional. Our loyalties must transcend our race, our tribe, our class, and our nation. And this means we must develop a world perspective.
Next.
If you're to have peace on earth.
Georgia 67.
Okay, Georgia 1967.
So I filled that in. If we already have peace on earth, our loyalty. All right, next one. I oppose the war in Vietnam because I love America. I speak out against it, not in anger, but with anxiety and sorrow in my heart. And above all, with a passion and desire to see our beloved country stand as a moral example of the world.
California, 1967.
Make a career of humanity. Commit yourself to the noble struggle for equal rights. You will make a greater person of yourself, a greater nation of your country, and a finer world to live in.
District of Columbia, 1959.
I believe that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word in reality. This is why right, temporarily defeated, is stronger than evil triumphant.
No way. 1964.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that.
1963 doesn't have a place. Next.
We shall overcome because the arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice.
District of Columbia, 1968. And then I'm going to show you one more thing. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. Bye! Now you're going to get your journal or your notebook, get ready for everything, and write down it in the next page. Today's word of the day is memorial. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Visit our online channel. You can buy lots of things on it. Or a journal. You can buy a journal on my online website.